Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Today, we are going to talk about acids, bases, and some chemical reactions. So, I'll share my computer screen with you. Acids, bases, and chemical reactions, some salient features. What are bases? A base is a substance that can neutralize, sorry. A base is a substance that can neutralize acids and receive hydrogen ions from water. Bases can color certain colors blue and feel slippery or soapy on the skin. Sodium hydroxide is a good illustration of a base. On a scale known as pH, power of hydrogen scale, bases have pH between 7 and 14, while acids have pH between 0 to 7. A base's function is to share an electron pair with a proton, consequently forming a new bond with that proton. A stronger base will be a molecule that donates electrons more easily. Bases and acids are important to many chemical processes. These processes including maintaining a stable and internal environment in the human body or simple things like baking a cake. Stable environment means we need to maintain a relatively stable pH inside the human body. Similarly, baking a cake, we also need to maintain the pH, and that's why we use baking powder. Okay. What are acids? Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits contain citric acid. Acids cause color changes in plant dyes, for example. They change the color of litmus from blue to red. Acids react with certain metals such as zinc, magnesium, and iron to produce hydrogen. It should be hydrogen gas. Hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium according to the following reaction. So 2 moles of HCl or 2 molecules of HCl react with 1 atom of magnesium solid. HCl means aqueous form to form magnesium chloride in aqueous form and hydrogen gas, where HCl aqueous is hydrochloric acid in aqueous phase, means it mixed with water, and magnesium solid is magnesium in solid phase. An alkali that is commonly used is milk of magnesia, which is magnesium hydroxide. In addition to being the basis of many medical and household products, acid-base chemistry is important in industrial processes and essential in sustaining biological systems. An acid that we commonly use is aspirin, which is acetyl salicylic acid. From my work experience, I've observed that an acid is a substance that ionizes in water to produce H plus ions, while base is a substance that ionizes to produce OH minus ions. What are oxoacids? Oxoacids are acids that contain hydrogen, oxygen, and another element, the central element. The formulas of oxoacids are usually written with the H first, followed by the central element and then O. We use the following common acids as our reference in naming oxoacids. H2CO3 is carbonic acid. HClO3 is chloric acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. H3PO4 is phosphoric acid, and H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction happens when we combine several reactants to get one or more products. During this reaction, the structures of the reactants rearrange themselves, changing their chemical composition and creating new products. An arrow separates the reactants and the products. It shows the direction in which the reaction is moving. In front of each element or compound is a coefficient which demonstrates about how many reactants and products the specific reaction yields. The number of atoms for each element at the reactant side, on the reactant side, must be equal with the number of atoms of each element on the product side to balance the equation. We want to balance a reaction so that their molecular weights are equal on each side. Okay. This is basically done to preserve the conservation of mass. Have you ever thought why the Statue of Liberty is green? What kind of chemical reaction has made it green? Well, Statue of Liberty was originally not green. It is made out of copper, but copper oxidizes with oxygen in the air to produce that cupric oxide, which is green in color. That's why Statue of Liberty is green. So I'll sign off here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll be back next time with another interesting problem in math or another lecture on chemistry. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you later.